We all like to get stuff done. But what if you could knock out tasks in seconds instead of adding them to your to-do list? Scrambling for tools when a small job pops up is a hassle. Does anyone know where the scissors are? But carrying a full-size multi-tool isn't always an option. They're bulky in your pockets and you can't take them everywhere. Keychain multi-tools lack functionality, and tiny utility blades are too small to hold and can even be dangerous. In short, there's no single tool that's super easy to carry and actually useful. So we made one. Introducing the Edge XT. It's the easiest to carry multi-tool that combines a retractable utility blade with the most useful tools for everyday life. The Edge XT may be small, but it's packed with amazing features. It has 10 useful tools to tackle whatever the day throws at you. It fits great in your hand, and the tools are laid out for optimal use. The locking thumb slider allows one-handed operation while keeping your fingers out of harm's way. And the safety lock keeps the blade closed when not in use. The Edge's lightweight and slim profile make it effortless to carry. On your keychain, in your bag, purse, or glove box, even that little pocket on your jeans. You can change blades quickly with any number 11 craft blade. If you're entering a restricted area, just ditch the blade and keep your edge. It's even TSA compliant with the blade removed. The Edge XT is built to last a lifetime with durable all-metal construction. And with a beautiful satin finish to match the Lever Gear line of EDC products. With the Edge XT, you'll be ready for just about anything. After 9 months of sketching, prototyping, testing, modeling, and more testing, we're thrilled with how the Edge came together. Based on early reviews from some expert gearheads, we know you're going to love it too. The perfect blend of style and versatility, Edge will be the go-to tool for everyday carry. So get the Edge and get ready to knock shit out.